Pagtayo ko, tinatanong ko si Direk Jun at saka si Uge, ano ba tong award na to? Pagtayo ko, tinatanong ko si Direk Jun at saka si Uge, ano ba tong award na to? Special jury citation for what? For best dressed of the night? Special jury citation for best performance? Ganun ba yon? Ah, okay. So, salamat po. Seriously, hindi ko talaga alam. Nagtatanga-tangahan ako. Ayoko naman magpasalamat, hindi ko alam, naiintindihan yung award.
Nice.
Pero,
eto na po, babasahin.
yun i-explain pa lang, baka sa best hairstyle, best outfit.
Ito na po, ito na po.
The jury of the 50th MMFF awards a special citation to a performer who has broken the ground and gone out of the familiar and comfort zone to prove his growth as an artist and tackle issues relevant to the contemporary society. The MMFF jury honors Vice Ganda for his achievement in this year's festival.
Thank you very much! Oh my God! Long been waiting for this. At last, finally, I am seen. Hindi joke yun. Hindi. Maraming salamat po sa pagkilala na yun. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much. Tonight, I am seen. With this movie, with this project, I am finally seen. I have been participating at the Metro Manila Film Festival for years. This is the first time na meron akong award.
narinig na nagsabi sa amin nung bago ako mag-artista? Anong gusto mo? Maging artista, maging aktor?